Unlock the full potential of your Nikon D3500 by seamlessly connecting it to your PC for effortless image transfer and remote control. First, ensure your Nikon D3500 is powered off. Locate the USB port on your camera. It's usually a small, rectangular port, often found beneath a protective cover. Take your Nikon USB cable, typically the one that came with your camera, and gently plug one end into the camera's USB port. The other end of the USB cable will connect to a USB port on your computer. Once physically connected, it's time to manage the software. If you haven't already, you'll need to install Nikon's free software, like Nikon Transfer 2 or the Nikon Camera Control Pro software. Depending on your needs, you can usually download these from Nikon's official website. With the software installed and open, power on your Nikon D3500. Your computer should now recognize the camera. A Nikon Transfer software will often automatically detect your camera and prompt you to import your photos. Alternatively, you might need to adjust a setting on your camera. Navigate through your D3500's menu to find the connection or USB settings. Ensure it's set to transfer or mass storage for simple file transfer, or a specific mode for remote control if you're using Camera Control Pro. If you encounter issues, double-check that the USB cable is securely plugged into both the camera and the computer. Try a different USB port on your PC, and ensure you're using the official Nikon USB cable. Sometimes, simply restarting both your camera and your computer can resolve connection problems. With a stable connection established, you're now ready to efficiently import your stunning images, update your camera's firmware, or even control your D3500 directly from your computer for ultimate creative freedom. Happy shooting!